ఏ పిల్లలు బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ మానేస్తారు?
అదేనేమన్నా ఫాస్టింగ్ వచ్చి అయిపోయింది.
అదే వస్తుంది పంపి ఒక డబ్బాలో పెట్టు. Shall we start?
Sir, yesterday's answer I got all the three as 0 only, sir. A0, A1, A4.
What about others, man? Do you agree with him?
Yes, sir.
All three zeros कैसा होगा जी?
No, sir. All three zeros not this. Only not a zero, sir.
अबरा तुम गलत करके सबको गलत कर दे रहे?
Sir, I'm just asking, sir.
मतलब वो तो वही चला. अबरा
Sir.
वो अबरा अपन गलत सारी दुनिया गलत अपन ठीक सारी दुनिया ठीक I'll just tell the key. Check it, all of you. Answer says A0 is 0. सुन रहे हो?
Sir.
A0 is 0. A1
Yes,
is और इतना लंबा आंसर
161.
161. शाबाश. Who is this 161?
Sir, I also got
Rahman.
Suman. Numerities.
Saidur Rahman, sir.
Yeah, very good, very good. A1 is 161
yes, sir.
and A4 value is 43.
Yes, sir.
A0 value is 0. A1 value 161. A4 value 43.
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
No.
Sir, A4 is minus 43, I think. So.
Yeah, minus 43. A4 is minus 43.
Sir, we have to differentiate and find the value, right? And put S is equal to 0.
Should I do it or leave it?
Sir, but I got
Got, sir.
a row, a column as all 0, sir.
ये साहब मेरे को नहीं बोलना. ये साहब मेरे को कॉलम zeros आया, row zeros आया. Nobody will ask you those things in the exam. Answer आया नहीं आया, rank आया नहीं आया, seat आया नहीं आया, marks आए नहीं आए. Nobody will listen to our explanations. This is what life. Hello. Now tell me. Tell your name. Those who got at least 2. I repeat. A0 2. Sorry, A0 0. A1 161. A4 minus 43. Tell your name.
Correct, sir. Saidur
Those who
Rahman.
got at least 2. At least 2 correct.
Sir, Mohammed Zairuddin Adnan.
Very good. Next. Next.
All three done, sir.
Sir, I got A0 and A1.
Now look here. What you should do? Put x is equal to
Equal to
0.
0.
How do you like it?
0, 0, 0.
0, sir.
7, 2 minus 1.
7, 2 minus 1. 2,
2 and 3.
1, 3. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At least this everybody got now?
Yes, sir.
Now differentiate remember you should do two things. Don't put 0 and differentiate. Differentiate and then put 0. What's the derivative of first row?
6x square minus 6.
6x square minus 6x. Derivative, put 0. 5x plus 7 derivative.
5.
5.
0.
2 derivative.
Sir, common 0, sir, in this also.
Remaining 2 rows. Put only 0. Don't differentiate. Remaining 2 rows. Remaining 2 rows. Only put 0. Don't differentiate. What does it give you? Plus first and third rows. First and third rows. Only put 0. First and third rows. Only put 0. What you should do second row? What you should do second row? Differentiate. Differentiate and put 0. Now what do I get? Put 0 first row. What will I get?
0, 7, 2.
Differentiation. 12x square minus
Minus
7.
7.
Minus 7.
3,
3x plus 2.
0.
Last one.
0, minus 1, 3.
Plus determinant. अब क्या करना? I'm explaining once again. Third time समझा रहा हूँ. First two rows directly put 0. First two rows directly put 0. First two rows directly put 0. What happened to third row? Differentiate and then put 0. Differentiate and then put 0. What does it gives you? Follow.
0,
0, 7, 2. Correct?
0, 2, 1. Yes, sir.
0 to 1.
0 to 1. Next.
0,
0.
0.
Minus
0 minus 1, 3.
0 minus 1.
3.
Ah,
0, 0, 0.
No, 1. So differentiate.
That will also 0, sir.
Differentiate.
X minus 1, 0, sir. X minus 1, 0.
X minus 1 derivative is
0, sir. 0.
1 man.
Derivative is 1, sir.
is 1.
1, sir. 1.
X derivative. X minus 1 derivative man 1.
Yes, sir. 1.
1.
3 derivative 0. Right hand side. not A0, sorry, A1. बच्चे लोग, any doubts, any questions? I am here to
No.
explain. Evaluate. A1 क्या था? अब क्या करना?
Sir, in column 1 we should divide by x cube, and column 2 we should divide by x.
Very good. I think it is Saman Numer.
Saidur Rahman, sir.
Saidur Rahman. Very good, man. Keep it up. Divide column 1 by column 2 by x. What happens when you divide column 1 by x cube?
2 minus
Column 2, oh, sorry, second entry.
4 minus 7 by x square.
Third entry.
7 minus 8 by x.
बच्चे लोग, is this clear? बच्चे लोग, is this clear? Second column.
5 plus 7 by x.
Next वाला.
3 plus 2 by x.
Next वाला.
1 minus 1 by x.
इसको कुछ ना करना. कुछ ना करना. Right hand side.
Divide by x power 4.
A0 by A1 by A2 by
Now x equal to infinity.
what does it becomes? 2, 5, 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
4,
3,
3, 1. 7, 1, 3. Right hand side. A4.
4.
We have to divide by the highest power in the column or a particular row.
क्या है?
We have to divide by the highest power of the particular column, sir.
That's it.
Okay, sir.
Done. What is A4 value?
minus 43.
minus 40. Minus.
Zahiruddin Adnan. Aya ji answer.
Yes, sir.
Done. Write this. Previous IIT question. Start.
One solution, sir.
Pardon me, man.
One, sir. One solution.
I think correct. 35, 35, 3. Yeah, one solution. Tan x is equal to -2. Am I correct? रो या कॉलम, रो या कॉलम कुछ भी ऐड करो, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. What will I get? Column 1 replaced by hello. I'm adding 3 columns. I'm adding 3 columns. Tell me what does it gives you? Sin x plus 2 cos x. Sin x plus cos x plus cos x. Second wala. Cos x plus sin x plus cos x. Third wala. Third wala. Cos x plus sin x. What does it gives you? Sin x plus 2 cos x. 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 फर्स्ट कॉलम से आप क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? sin x plus 2 cos x. Can I write that step directly?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
All
Yes,
of
sir.
you, can I write that directly?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Or I'll write one more step. What is there in that? Sin x plus 2 cos x. Cos x, sin x, cos x, sin x. फर्स्ट कॉलम से आप क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? What will I get? 1 1 1. No. What is one possibility? What will I get, man? Sin x is equal to -2 cos x. बच्चे लोग, sin x by cos x is equal to -2. इसको बाद में आएंगे. नेक्स्ट देखो, रो में 1 या कॉलम में 1. रो 1 और कॉलम 1. रो 1 और कॉलम 1. कॉलम में 1. रो ऑपरेशन और कॉलम ऑपरेशन. रो ऑपरेशन कौन सा रो फिक्स करेंगे? फर्स्ट रो फिक्स करेंगे. क्या आएगा? R2 replaced by R3 replaced by. What will I get, man? 1 hello 0 sin x minus cos x 0 0 0 sin x minus cos x. What is one possibility?
Sir, two solutions will come, no, sir.
Tan x is equal to -2. Now what does this expansion gives you? What does this expansion gives you? 1 into
9 minus cos also x.
this into this minus this into this. What will I get? 1 into
Tan square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x is equal to 0.
don't expand, man. Who is that? अबरार expand नहीं करना जी. क्या जाएगा? And what will I get?
Sin x is equal to cos x.
Will give me what? Will give me what? You are lying in what interval? Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. In this interval, where will tan x belongs to? Where will tan x belongs to? Tan x belongs to. Apply tan both
Minus
sides.
1 to 1.
Tan of minus pi by 4 to tan of pi by 4. So where does it tan x belongs to? बोलो मैम.
One to one.
क्या a हो सकता है? क्या a हो सकता है? कितने बार होता है? एक बार होता है. Hence number of solutions.
Sir? Sir?
Yeah, सुनो.
Sir, here the degree is 3, so 3 solutions should be there, na?
Pardon me?
Sir, sir, here degree is 3. So
Huh?
degree is 3 of the determinant. Degree is
No,
3,
no,
na?
no, no. How come degree of the determinant is 3? Determinant is in terms of sin and cos. Yeah. Degree of the determinant might be 3. Yeah. Then
3, na?
here it's a square. Therefore, tan x is equal to 1 is what sort of root? Repeated root. Here 1 root. Here 2 roots. Total number of 2 roots are 3. Set हो गया? Is it Jasim?
Sir.
Is it clear?
Sir, clear.
You should tell me, man. Is it Jasim or Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, it's not Jasim, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, is it clear? The question which he asked.
Yes, sir, clear. It was Faisal.
He's not online.
He's there, sir. Not
He's
replying.
not replying.
Uttar Pradesh boy.
This is one root, man. UP. अरे बोलो जी हाँ या ना.
Yes, sir. Sir, disconnect
चला
हो गया
बढ़िया.
था. Sir, disconnect हो गया था फौरन.
Pardon me.
Sorry. Sir, disconnect हो गया था. Sorry.
हाँ. Clear हो गया आपका doubt?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Sir, don't erase the right side, please.
क्या हुआ? First simplify f of x. क्या करना? सेम प्रॉब्लम, अर्लियर प्रॉब्लम का एक स्टेप न इधर न उधर, इधर ऐड करो सेम है। सो क्या करना? अब एक बार R1 करेंगे। और जो फर्स्ट रो, फर्स्ट रो से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं? व्हाट विल आई गेट? कॉमन
Pronoun operation.
एक स्टेप भी नहीं बदल रहा, आंसर नहीं बोल रहे कोई भी. वेटिंग फॉर एन आंसर मैन.
0, sir.
0.
No, sir. The that value is 0. I got it. That value is 0, sir.
3x plus lambda into lambda square we will get, sir.
नेक्स्ट कॉलम 3 फिक्स रखूंगा. कॉलम 1 I replace by column 2 I replace by. I am fixing column 3. Column 1 I am replacing by column 1 minus column 3. Column 2 I am replacing by column 2 minus column 3. What will I obtain? Zero minus lambda. Am I correct? 0 x plus lambda minus x. Lambda minus lambda. What's the determinant expansion? 1 into this minus this into this. What's the determinant expansion, man?
Minus lambda square.
Is it lambda square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, answer is 9x lambda square.
So what is f of 5x minus f of 2x? What do you mean by f of 5x? In place of x, replace it by? In place of x, replace it by 5x. Sorry, minus. What is f of 2x? दोनों में से what I can take common? Lambda square. What's the first one, man? बोलो man. 15x plus lambda minus 6x minus lambda. Lambda will cancel off. Lambda square into 15x minus 6x, man.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, he asked f of 5x, no, sir.
F of 5x minus f of 2x I asked.
Yes, sir. That one is, sir. We got f of x as 3x plus lambda into lambda square. So we should multiply by 5, no, sir.
Multiply by?
5. That
That
f of
is
x.
5 f of x, man. इन दोनों में जमीन आसमान फर्क है. In दोनों में there is a hell lot of difference. What do you mean by first one? You are multiplying f of x by 5. What do you mean by second one? X is replaced by 5x.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Hello. F of x is equal to x plus 1. What is f of donkey? 1 plus donkey. What is f of monkey? Hello. टूथलेस मंकी, समझ गए?
Sir.
शो दैट फर्स्ट वाला आसान है, डू इट। फर्स्ट वन इज इजी, कंप्लीट ऑफ this is equal to this is easy man, come on jaldi। इसको डायरेक्ट एक्सपैंड करे तो ये आ जाएगा।
Sir, got sir.
पॉइंट है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंशन से क्या आएगा?
Yes, sir, we'll get that.
माइनस साइन कॉमन ले लो, माइनस साइन कॉमन ले लो, कॉमन लेने से क्या आएगा?
A cube, B cube, C cube, sir.
You should prove 1 equal to 3. Multiplication of determinants. Look at बच्चे लोग सोचो, बच्चे लोग थिंक, दिमाग पे थोड़ा जोर दो, थिंक एंड लेट मी नो what manipulation I should do so that I get this. थोड़ा सोचो, two simple manipulations will do the job for you. Two simple manipulations will do the job for you. Multiply these two, you get this. What manipulations you should do? Think, tell me. Thank you. Are you informed about any change of timings from tomorrow?
Sir.
Huh?
Sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. At what time is your physics class?
Morning
7.
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
No, are you comfortable with 9 o'clock class or you want to shift the class?
No, sir. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Very comfortable, sir.
Comfortable. sir.
Comfortable, sir.
No problem with 9 o'clock class, no?
No problem,
sir.
sir.
Problem,
No problem, sir.
Okay then.
Sir, row 1 should be multiplied with -1.
Row 1,
Multiplied with -1. And the other two rows shall be interchanged.
can you hear it?
Yes, sir.
Ah, very good. Your name?
Abdul Rahim.
Very good man, keep it up. Hello. इसको माइनस साइन से मल्टीप्लाई करो, माइनस साइन बाहर आएगा, इंटरचेंज दीस टू, और एक माइनस साइन बाहर आएगा, माइनस इंटू माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. शाबाश. What you should do is determinant ABC into माइनस साइन बाहर. हाँ, now what I am doing, R2 and R3 are, what is happening to them? Interchanged. What does it gives you? ABC, BCA, CAB into minus. When you interchange R2 and R3, what sign you will get? When you interchange two rows, what sign you will get? Minus into minus of determinant minus A minus B minus C. Bolo CAB BCA will give you what? ABC BCA CAB into determinant, two negative signs, positive. Now multiply. What does it gives you? Now multiply. What does it gives you? Right, first row. A into minus A. Minus A square. B into CBC. B into CBC. Next. This row it is A into B. Minus AB. Minus AB
plus
plus
AB
AB
plus C square
plus C square. Third one, minus AC
plus B square
plus B square.
plus AC.
Don't expect me to do the remainings. Complete. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Write this one. If what you should do first? Take this sigma, apply directly. Remember how many determinants you get? You will have n determinants. Addition of determinants property are there. You will have n determinants. Those two columns that are fixed should fix them. Corresponding varying elements you should add. Means what? Take this sigma, apply for the first row. I'll do first step. Remaining you do. I am giving a hint. In all problems of this type, what is the shortcut? Take this sigma, directly apply for the first column. What is sigma k is equal to 1 to n 1? That means how many times you will add 1? What does it gives you? What is sigma? K is equal to 1 to n. Second one, 2k, 2 constant. Sigma, put k is equal to 1 to n. What does it give you? 1 plus 2 plus 3. So on till n. What does it gives you? 2 into will give you last term. बच्चे लोग लास्ट टर्म, ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड का कॉम्बिनेशन, सिग्मा k is equal to 1 to n, 2k minus 1. What is sigma of 2k? N square plus n minus sigma of 1 n. Now, what is your first row? Sorry, what is your first column? Your first column column is, follow, n square plus n square. Second, n square plus n plus 2 n square. Third column, n square plus n square plus n plus 2. What is this given? Come on, simplify this now. Give me the answer. I am waiting. Is the hint clear? I repeat. What I have done is a sigma को लेके you should apply on first column. Remember, why you are not applying on second column?
K is not there.
Why you are not applying on second column? Second column में there is no k. Why you are not applying on third column? Third column में there is no k. कौन सा column या कौन सा row में there is a k? Only first column. Hence, you are applying on first column. Is the logic clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, proceed now. मैं इंतजार कर रहा हूँ हाँ हूँ हाँ।
Twenty-four or 22.
Sir, 2 n equal to.
n value
Sir, n equal to 2. 2.
करीमनगर आज लेट ज्वाइन हुए
No, sir.
फिर बातें नहीं कर रहे आवाज ही नहीं निकल रहा है क्या हुआ आई थॉट यू आर
Sir,
एब्सेंट
net problem, sir.
नो n is not 2 wrong
n equal to 6 or minus 8.
N equals to 6 or minus.
Sir, 24 or 22.
Sir,
सुन रहा हूँ बोलो
sir, in the second one, sir, we are taking sigma of 2k, right?
sigma of 2k yeah
Sir, then why are we writing their sum to n square natural number, sir? Sum of squares of natural number, sir. We are using the formula n into n plus 1 by 2.
हाँ
That is the formula for n square, right?
there's a formula for n check your formula में
Yes, sir, sorry, sir, I wrote wrong.
before you ask me you should check yourself man ये अच्छा जबरदस्ती है भाई
No, sir, I wrote wrong in the class work, sir.
बच्चे लोग आंसर बोलो वेट कर रहा हूँ
Sir, four. Shoaib, another.
n is equal to 4 2 n is equal to 4 करेक्ट और कोई या मईच 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 क्या कॉमन लेना
N.
n common from first row हाँ रो में वंश या कॉलम में वंश क्या करेंगे
R2 is R2 minus R1. R3 is
रो
R3
में
minus.
वन, कॉलम 1 फिक्स करेंगे, कॉलम 2 रिप्लेस बाई
column 2 minus column 1,
कॉलम 3 रिप्लेस बाई
column 3
3
minus
minus
column
column
1,
1.
n इंटू क्या आएगा 1n स्क्वायर प्लस n स्क्वायर, बोलो 0 2 0, am I correct? Next one 0 0 determinant value n into 2 into n plus 2 minus 0. What will I get? 2, what will I get? N square plus 2n, 2 goes 6 times. 2 goes why 6 times? 24 times 1. Correct? 6 fours.
because n can be negative.
This sigma formula can be applied only for natural numbers. So n cannot be minus 6. If they ask for any change of timings, tell them that you are comfortable with 9 o'clock.
Sir.
Even I am comfortable, we are comfortable, everybody is comfortable. Okay? Say yes or no, man.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are comfortable.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Insist them don't for 9 o'clock.
Answer is minus of under root 4 plus 2 root 2 to plus of under root 4 plus 2 root 2.
Direct expansion, man.
Yes, sir.
Simple.
Sir, minus of under root 4 minus 2 root 2 to plus of under root 4 minus 2 root 2.
यहाँ पे 0,2 root 2 है जी. नहीं आ रहा. Every day I forgot to tell you. I thought of कल भी class होने के बाद याद आया. Every day I'm telling every one of you, I already expect that you all have bought Cengage algebra book which contains matrices and determinants chapter. Every day after the class or during the class or throughout the day, 2.5 hours you should do maths. I'm telling you, 50 problem हर रोज practice करना. Without solving 50 problems, you should not sleep, you should not get sleep. You should not sleep, you should not get sleep also. Practice, practice, practice only makes man perfect. You know, your two super seniors got 390 and 394 in BITSAT exam. कोई बोले? Did anybody inform you?
No.
No, sir.
Abdullah and Umair Surti, those two students who got, this fellow got 131 rank in mains, this fellow got 977 child. 131 rank in mains, 977 rank in mains. Their BITSAT marks are 394, 390. BITS Pilani mein they'll get computer science seat. If you ask me how they used to study, this is how they used to study. They used to follow literal words. Believe it or not, I gave 1 week time. How many weeks? 1 week time. I gave an assignment last year. Definite integrals. Assignment had 600 problems. 1 week's time, 600 problems. These two fellows did those 600 problems in 1 week. पूरा class में around 20 students solved. Out of 34, 20 students solved. But these 20 took 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I believe. But these two, they took only 1 week to solve. They were so committed, they were so focused. That's what this exam requires. A lot of focus, lot of energy. जो मेहनत करता है उसे ही सक्सेस मिलता है. Take it for granted. Nothing in this world is free of cost. You have to pay a price for everything. Everything has a price. So engage problems and where assignment problems. Hopefully assignment is over. Look here. What will I get now? Minus root 2 into this minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. Am I correct? Minus sin theta into minus cos theta minus sin theta. Am I correct? Plus cos theta into this into this sin theta minus cos theta.
Sir, we should
Theta root 2 into take a
extend.
minus sign common. This is 1 plus negative sign or plus sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta minus into minus plus cos square theta. Plus root 2 theta 1. What will I get, man? 1 plus root 2 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. What is 2 sin theta cos theta, man? Sin 2 theta. What is the
Yes, sir. I was
Minus cos plus sin
listening.
second term.
Second term, sir, we should get plus sin theta.
minus cos minus sin theta into minus अरे पहले बोलना नहीं जी.
Sir, I was saying you were doing problem.
एनर्जी वेस्ट होने के बाद बोलते. What will I get now? This is root 2
minus root 2 minus 1.
minus sin theta cos theta minus sin square theta. Correct है?
Sir, plus sin theta cos theta. Minus into minus plus. Root 2 plus.
Correct है? root 2 plus ही है. This is root 2 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus what is cos square theta minus sin square theta?
Cos 2 theta.
Cos 2 theta.
Cos 2 theta. Cos 2
root 2 plus इधर क्या था?
2 sin.
Where does this lie? माइनस रूट
Plus root 2 plus root 2.
रूट 2 ऐड कर रहे हो 0 कमा what's the formula we are using man a sin x plus or minus b cos x घर कहाँ रहता माइनस रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर कमा प्लस रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर बचे लोग ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में कह रहे अपन पढ़ो 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 टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना
Sir, excuse me, sir.
बोलो
Sir, in third term, cos theta into minus sin theta, no? Minus 1 into sin theta.
किधर है जी गैरेज टीचर जाओ
Correct, correct.
आई एम करेक्ट मैन
Yes, sir.
ओके देन थैंक यू
I have a doubt. Sir, how you got 0, comma 2?
सेंगेज अलजेब्रा बोल के रहता उसमें रहता देखो
Okay, sir.
सेंगेज अलजेब्रा ओके देन आई एम क्लोजिंग डाउन थैंक यू
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.